Today we will discuss about the projection of solid. We know the main difference between the solid and plane. We say solid is a three-dimensional object and plane is a two-dimensional object. Generally solid containing length, breadth and thickness. Solids are classified into two types, polyhedron and solids of revolution. In the polyhedron, they are again classified into regular polyhedron and other polyhedron. Regular polyhedron means it is a solid bounded only by plane surfaces. That plane surfaces means here faces. Its faces are formed by regular polygon of same size and all our dihedral angles are equal to one another. In this, here we see 5 types of regular polyhedrons, that is tetrahedron, cube, octahedron, dodecahedron, icosahedron. All these polyhedrons are equal faces. See that the tetrahedron, it containing 4 triangular equal faces. Similarly, cube, see 6 square faces. Coming to the dodecahedron, it containing 12 equal regular pentagonal faces. That means we say regular. All these diagrams comes under the regular polyhedrons. Coming to the other polyhedrons, prisms and pyramids comes under the other polyhedrons. Prism, it is a polyhedron formed by 2 equal parallel regular polygons and faces connected by side faces which are either rectangular or parallelograms. In this, here we can see 5 types of prisms: triangular, square, pentagon, hexagonal and rectangular prisms. The main terms what we observed in these prisms are base and lateral face. Base means the top and bottom are known as the bases. Based on the base only we can describe the name of the prism. Here we see this is the square prism. Square means it containing 4 sides. How many sides it have, based on that containing number of faces. And this base edge means the sides are known as the base edges. And axis means this one is important term, which is the line passes from top base to the bottom base. Just this one is the imaginary line. Then the longer edge means the long faces containing the edges are known as the longer edge. These prisms are based on the axis position classified into 2 types, right prism and oblique prism. Right prism means axis is perpendicular to the either horizontal base or vertical base. Oblique prism axis is inclined to any one base. Coming to the pyramid, pyramid is a polyhedron formed by plane surfaces as its base and a number of triangular faces as its side faces. All are meeting at a point. That point is known as the apex point or vertex point. Here we see 5 types of pyramids: triangular pyramid, square pyramid, rectangular pyramid, pentagon and hexagon pyramid. This one also based on the axis position we can say right pyramid or oblique pyramid. Then another type is solids of revolution. Solids of revolution means when some of the plane figures are revolved about one of their sides. Here we see 3 types of solids of revolution: cylinder, cone, sphere. Cylinder means the rectangular is revolved about one of its sides. Cone means the triangular face revolves one of its sides, and sphere is semicircle is revolved one of its sides. Then based on the axis position, these are classified into 3 types. That axis position is if it is perpendicular to HP and VP or parallel to HP or VP, inclined to both HP and VP. In this one, here in the figure, axis position is perpendicular to HP. When axis is perpendicular to HP, in initial position we can see true shape of the base in top view, and in front view we can, if it is the prism, we can see the rectangular face. If it is the cone, we can see triangular face. diagram, the base side is parallel to the base is in this diagram. Base is, that means initial axis is perpendicular HP. That's why we can see true shape of the base in top view. But in first diagram, the one of the side is parallel to VP. In second diagram, side is inclined to VP. So second and third, the side is inclined to the VP. First and fourth diagrams, side is parallel to VP. In first diagram, the side is nearer to VP. In fourth diagram, the side is away from the VP. And here in the first, second and fourth diagrams, we cannot see any invisible lines, because in some, in the second diagram, that B point and C point are coincident with each other. In first and three diagrams, there are 3 points are placed at different positions. But in third diagram, we can see 3 longer edges, A dash and A1 dash and A dash, and C1 and C1 are the boundary longer edges. But B point is far away from the XY line, that's why that point line also visible line. Coming to the pyramid, in this one, the